everyone. My name is Jay Brown, and I serve as the K12 project manager for InCare Technologies. And today my role is to briefly discuss security. All right, so had a conversation with Alan a few months ago, and we realized that there's no product that's in the market that a comprehensive solution that includes 5 components that we think is very important, and that's camera security, a door access control for outside doors as well as inside doors, a mass alerting system, and intercoms. Obviously, you can get these products from anywhere, but nowhere that works under the same umbrella. We wanted a huge security ecosystem, one big, large security integration, and we've been able to put that together. So I want to show you guys a flow chart of what that will look like. So don't get caught up into the brands right now. Just kind of want to briefly run through what it looked like. So we have devices, pendants, triggers, whatever you want to call them, to where if you see a fight, you can hit this button and it'll go to the servers that'll send out notifications through emails and text messages to all of the proper personnel. Depending on the situation, it can also go to law enforcement. It will also integrate with your camera system, your door access control, as well as your intercom system. So this ecosystem, it involves a lot of different components, but they all work together, which is huge, okay? So the first component for us, digital watchdog, all right? Camera security made here in the US. It works with your existing cables. It's compatible with over 1,000 brands, and 5-year warranty, no ongoing license fees, and it's also on-prem and a cloud-based solution. So I want to show a short video and we can chat more when it's done.
With DW Spectrum IPVMS, you get the industry's most cost-effective, easy-to-use, and fully featured IP video management software. DW Spectrum is built for users. Cross-platform and open architecture, DW Spectrum can run on Windows, OS X, and Linux, and is compatible with thousands of devices from hundreds of manufacturers. Designed with accessibility top of mind, DW Spectrum seamlessly integrates with third-party devices, physical access control solutions, video analytics solutions, and even cloud servers via its built-in SDK and API. DW Spectrum also provides a unified user experience that effortlessly scales from a single device to thousands of networked devices. The unique DW Spectrum user interface makes every video management task more intuitive and efficient than any competing software. Customizable layouts, interactive mapping, and alarm notifications empower users with the ability to personalize their setup to best fit their preferences and needs.
So that's just a little piece of digital watchdog that I wanted to show you guys. So one other thing to keep in mind, and this was mentioned in the video, is how user-friendly it is. This is why one of the reasons why we are such fans of digital watchdog is because you can sit down with a principal for 5 or 10 minutes and give them all of the essentials that they'll need to really use this product, right? So that is a great big win for us and for you guys. Next, we have our door access control, and that's for outside doors, Pro Data Key. PDK. So it is a cloud-based software, which is great. You can manage this system from anywhere at any time. It's super easy to manage. It's very low cost. Honestly, the setup is simple. And this is also another solution that can it can take over existing hardware, which is great. So I want to dive right in to another video on this, and we can chat a little bit more about it. And again, this is Pro Data Key PDK.
Hey guys, I'm Brock with Pro Data Key, and I'm here to show you our cloud-based access control platform, PDK.io. Our entire platform was built mobile first. What does that mean? That means that we're the only true cloud-based access control system on the market. Everything that you could do from a Mac or a PC can also be done from any Android or Apple mobile device, whenever and wherever you are. The cloud interface is extremely simple to use and very easy to understand. The ability to control your entire system from any web-enabled device allows for access anytime, anywhere. You can program system events, lock and unlock doors, and add or delete users from anywhere in the world. Our cloud-based platform also offers email and text alerts, custom reporting, custom rules, and always stays up to date. With automatic updates, you no longer have to worry about expensive software that's tracked on a PC, bothering IT, or a system failing if an end user updates their operating system. Is that everything there is to know about our cloud-based access control platform? Not quite. For a full demo on PDK.io, call us or go to prodatakey.com/demo.
Wow. So that was great. ProDataKey, great company, great solution. So one of the things that I did want to share about that is a cool feature is it is enabled by Bluetooth as well. So now you can send out credentials to phones versus paying for expensive fobs. And through Bluetooth, your phone is now your fob. So that is a plus, another win, all right? So next we have the Haven Lock, which is our component for door access control within the building. We put these on classrooms, all right? One statement I want to make, all right? Please listen. No student has ever been killed by an intruder in a classroom that was locked. No student has ever been killed in a classroom by an intruder when the classroom was locked, right? So a lot of times we place our focus on securing the outer, the parameters on outside, the outside doors, and we place very little emphasis or thoughts on how to, lock down our schools from the inside out. Well, Haven Locks gives us the ability to lock down classroom doors using a phone or a fob, all right? So that's really cool because now if an intruder is in the building, you can secure your door using this solution, all right? So let's take another look at a short video. And again, this is called the Haven Lock.
Haven Pro HQ is a revolutionary school access control system. Haven is 10 times stronger than a conventional door lock.
Really? Come on! Go!
The foundation of Pro HQ is Lockdown Pro. It links multiple Lockdown Pros together to provide the first line of defense in your school. Haven Lockdown Pro and Pro HQ integrated together can be operated and activated at the touch of a button. Administrators can touch one button and lock down their entire school. Each lock sends signals back to the dashboard, pinpointing where the active threat is. Lockdown will deter an active threat from getting into a classroom. Seconds and minutes are vital in an emergency situation. Haven Beacon technology will allow administrators and authorities to pinpoint the active threat and respond immediately. Administrators can lock down an entire school from a single screen using the headquarters dashboard. Every Haven unit is made with military-grade components, stamped steel, industrial composites, and triple-stitched nylon webbing. Haven was designed, engineered, and manufactured in Tennessee by veterans. Pro HQ enables authorities and administrators to have total access and control over their entire campus. We stand by our work. With Haven, we'll keep you safe.
Right, nice. So next up, we have our intercom solution. It's the ACS by VACOM, and ACS stands for Advanced Communication System. VACOM is a classic company, all right? Right here in the States, they make tons of stuff from call towers, weather interfaces, strobe lights, speakers, different software. So we use this for our intercoms. Tech support for it is 24/7, 365 days a week, which is great. For us, you can set your own bell schedules. You can also distribute music through them. You can also create pre-recorded messages by importing WAV files. Look, there's no limit to this system. We are very confident that it's a leading intercom system, and I think it would be a great component for your school. So to discuss this more, we can connect later on through email or whatever the case may be. But yes, this is our intercom solution, the ACS units by VACOM, all right? So lastly, we have our mass alerting system, and we use icons. I don't want to share this PDF, so you can kind of put your eyes on it. Icon signals, it is the communication server that's kind of like the heart of this whole comprehensive solution. it allows you to be able to improve your security by really responding a lot quicker, by communicating faster when something happens. This service sends text messages or emails to everybody. Depending on the way that the service is configured, you can send them to all teachers, some teachers, principals. You can send them throughout your school district, as well as to your law enforcement. So this gives us the ability to respond properly, to respond quicker, and ultimately save lives, right? So it's another added component that is really great for your school. So guys, those are all of the components that we use for this comprehensive solution. So remember, that's 5 components: camera security, door access control for outside, door access control for inside, your intercoms, as well as your mass alerting system. We have been so blessed to work with 16 districts throughout the Southeast, and within the past 4 months or so, with 2 federal grant opportunities, and we've recently submitted $14.7 million in federal grants, and all of that was for security, for all of this security that I've just explained to you today. So we would love to have the opportunity to work with you, and we want you guys to see the big picture, that to really improve the security in your school and your school district, it's going to take more than some cameras. It's going to take more than access control. We have pieced together a whole ecosystem of components that work together, they integrate, all right? This is not just different pieces. This is not just cameras have their hub and icons or our alerting system have their hub. No, you can manage all devices, you can manage all system platform, and it works. So let's talk about it. You will have access to our emails and our phone numbers at the end of this show. And I'm grateful for this opportunity. Thank you guys for tuning in, and we'll chat soon. Thank you.